हेलो गाइस। मैं आज आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ केम्स के सॉफ्टवेयर कैसे यूज करते हैं। हेलो गाइस। मैं फार्मा प्रोस आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ आज कुछ नया। तो आज आज अपन सीखते हैं केम स्केच के बारे में। केम स्केच इज अ टूल्स विच इज यूज फॉर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ drawing reactions structures. First of all is the content in this video. Content is introduction, installation, handling of software, uses of the ChemSketch. Now, one by one, we have to learn about this software. First is a ChemSketch is a popular chemical drawing software used to create and edit 2D chemical structure, reactions, and schemes. It is widely used in various fields, including chemistry, pharmaceuticals, material science, and education. Different purposes of this software. It is freely available, provided by the ACD labs. Next is the ChemSketch allows users to draw and edit chemical structures. The second is the create reaction schemes. Different types of field like uh, regarding the chemistry. Use undergraduate student, postgraduate student of the MSc, M.Pharm, B.Pharm, likewise, and also other higher seniors, which is working in the industrial or academic. So third is the generate names and formulas of this. Names is the IUPAC name, is canonical names and other formats and formulas. Fourth is the predicted properties. Number of properties calculated automatically by using the ChemSketch software. First is a molecular weight, molecular formula, chemical formula, boiling point, etc. Fifth is export to various formats. Is when we draw the structure in the ChemSketch, now at the time of this, the we can save in the PDF, SVG, mol file, SDF file, which is supported with the different free softwares which is available on the online. Now, first, same. Next is the sum of its key features include user-friendly interface, extensive library of templates and fragments, advanced drawing tools, structure, cleaning, and optimization easily, integration with other chemical software. ChemSketch is a powerful tool for chemists, researchers, and students to visualize and communicate chemical information effectively. So it is, I think, very much useful for the drawing and optimizing the structure. Now we move towards the installation. First of all, we can type just ChemSketch, and type on the screen ChemSketch. Now see here the first link and zoom it now. Free chemical drawing software for students ChemSketch. With ChemSketch, you can draw chemical structure including organic, organometallics, polymers, and Marquis structure. Quickly created professional study. Now just click on the first link of the free chemical drawing. Now here is the screen. It is provided by the 30 years before ACD Labs, which is provided the ChemScale freeware software tools. Now here is the different types of products provided by the ACD Labs. Here is the receptor platform. आपको अगर और ज़्यादा चाहिए तो आप एक-एक साइट चेक कर सकते हो। लॉग डी, लॉग बी, पीके, टॉक्स-यू यहाँ से आपको मिलता है टॉक्सिक स्टडी। So now going to the download portion. Here is the in the home. Just scroll down below. Here is the download the game sketch freeware. So just click on that tab and you can go directly to the downloading page. Now here is the some information we have to put on the screen. Now first is a first name, last name, email, academic, and country, private. Just click on these boxes, these are privacy. By accepting this download, you understand that you will receive email communication from us about your software installation. And second option is the I consent to software license agreement. Just click on this download software after the filling the all information. Just click on the Control plus J. You can go directly into the download, and you see here the first ACD Labs. It's required 4 to 5 minutes to download the zip file. Now you have to go directly into the download section and click on this, which is downloaded the software. Just click on this software, and there is a setup file of this ChemSketch tools. Just click on their setup file and opens. So कंटिन्यूली आपका जो प्रोसेस है वो होते रहेगा और सॉफ्टवेयर का सेटअप डाउनलोड हो जाएगा. नाउ वी मूव टुवर्ड्स द ChemSketch software. I already installed in this PC. Okay, now I'm going toward the opening the ChemSketch software. First of all, just here is the some instruction for the using the software. Now, okay. Now, first of all, this is the screen of this ChemSketch tools. You see here the first section. We go through the one by one section. File, edit pages, tools, templates, option, documents, history labs, and here. Now, left side of the desktop, here is the carbon, hydrogen. It is the molecular initials which is given by the software. And in the right side, there is the some different heterocyclic rings and cyclic compounds. Also, their functional groups are also here directly short form. और भी यहाँ पर क्या दिया है? See here the amino acids, chains, cycles, C groups, miscellaneous, protecting groups, which is required for the drawing the structure. It may be कभी कभी स्ट्रक्चर का साइज लार्ज होने के कारण ये शॉर्ट फॉर्म दिए गए. Now I'm just simply taking the one cyclic ring, which is a easily simplest ring is the benzene. Now this is the benzene ring. So how we can generate its name? Now some its shortcuts are also available. So I using this Control Shift and I, then it's get the it's the IUPAC name of this structure. और भी आपका तरीका दूसरा तरीका है. Click on this, select the structure and go to the tools section and generates its name, smiley notation. Okay, now first is we click on the name of the structure. Here is the getting the name of the structure, right? ये आपको अगर इस स्ट्रक्चर का फॉन्ट साइज चेंज करना है या फॉन्ट change करना है तो just click on this text and select the name of this structure and just go scroll down what you want to do. Name of this I want to this is the Times New Roman font and size is enough. Well, first letter is a capital benzene. Now this is completely it's complete the name of the structure. Now one more option is given in the software. There is a smiley notation. Smiley notation means one of the ID of this structure. So just select the structure, clicking on the structure, and here is the C. Here is the smiley. Smiley means smileys notation. Okay. You can also other options to go into the tools and generate an smiley notation. Okay. See here the smiley notation. It is smiley notation is a use for the different properties which is provided by the different free softwares. आप अगर इस सॉफ्टवेयर का यूज करते हो ड्राइंग और स्ट्रक्चर एंड स्कीम्स के लिए, सो ये जो आपका स्माइली नोटेशन कोड है वो आप कहीं जगह पर यूज कर सकते हो. जैसे कि कोई पीकेसीएम एडीएमटी प्रॉपर्टी चेक करने का जो सॉफ्टवेयर है वहां पर भी आप यूज कर सकते हो. ओके, नाउ दिस इज अ कंप्लीटेड स्ट्रक्चर benzene and their type technique. Now let's move toward the is their properties. Now, just click on this structure and go into the tools and calculate. Now, we previously see the generation of the names of the structure. Now, we calculate their molecular formula, molecular weight, composition, molar activity, different types of parameters we can check from the software. Now, see here the I'm just clicking on the tools and generate calculate and then all properties calculation. Now we copy it on the screen. Now this is the see here the different types of properties calculated automatically within the second. You see your first property is the molecular formula 6H6 molecular weight 78.114 of this benzene structure. Now see this is clearly I think completely regarding the structure. Now this is the simple ring of this benzene. Now I am removing this name and the smiley notation. अभी आप substitution लगा के कोई भी just uses of this left side initials of the atoms or compounds is the carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen. Just click on the carbon and add in the here is it. What is the name of the structure? So select the structure, Control A, and just click the Control Shift plus I. I button 2D. 2D is a monosubstrate benzene derivatives. Just now I have to change their initial name T capital and font size. Font size enough and uh, is a font is a Times New Roman. Times New Roman. Now I want to disubstitute derivatives to draw the disubstitute derivative. Just see here. Now, what is the name of the structure? Just click on Control Shift plus I. We can go through the tools also, generate and name of the structure. So, if skip method, I'm directly using the shortcuts of these tools. 1, 3, xylene. If in case I substitute this methyl group at the meta position, now what is the name of the structure? Select all and Control Shift plus I. It's getting the name of the structure 1, 3, 5 trimethyl benzene. Okay, now it is great to learn about the drawing the structure and knowing their different properties. If if you remove this, you just click and select there and delete the substituent group. Now multiple or large structure drawing, just simple, just here is the naphthalene structure, Control Shift I, and their smiley notation directly we can click on the smiley. See here, the naphthalene is a compound, which is a cyclic compound, and it's good. Okay, now some different other specification of the software and the structures. Now go through the tools and चेक देयर एरोमेटिसिटी आपको अगर इसका एरोमेटिसिटी चेक करना है तो आप कैसे चेक करोगे तो जस्ट go into the tools and show aromaticity it is aromatic or unaromatic so it is a completely aromatic both the dicyclic compounds which is a naphthalene one more thing we can add their atom number renumbering just see the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 is automatic renumbering we can manually creating the numbering. One more thing is generate documentation, 3D structure optimization. See here the 3D structure optimization also. If you clean the structure, then select just click on the structure and see here the clean structure. Okay, now Control Z and going back. If in case you have to add the some functional groups on this ring, just see here Just click on the right side, and now we're getting this structure of technique. Control Shift R. Okay, one naphthalene 2Y, ethane 1 ONE. Okay, just clearly know about this. And one more thing is directly we can getting the log view of this compound. Just click on this, select the structure and go through the log P. See here the in the upper column log P, calculate the log P. Okay, just calculate the log P. Okay, 2.90 plus minus 0.22. Okay, is the completely moving the regarding the ChemSketch tools. We can move now. Here is the completely optimizing the tools. Just one more thing, we can scroll down or moving the structure. Okay, so आपको अगर और कुछ जानकारी चाहिए regarding the ChemSketch tool, we can comment and I will reply on that, and any queries I will be solved there. Thank you so much. I can clear the home page of this software.